Hey friends, how's it going? Hope y'all are doing awesome. As you're hopping on, say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. Y'all, I thought we'd play a fun little game tonight. And then I wanted to tell y'all about, I wanted to tell you about and invite you to a workshop that I'm involved with. So say hello. And did y'all see Jeannie's project earlier today? It was stinking cute. Do people still say stinking cute? I don't know if they do or not. Anyway, I'm going to be participating in a celebration workshop. And look, I'm wearing a couple of hints. And I want y'all to tell me in the comments what you think we're going to be creating. And y'all know Facebook. Let us see some comments. Let us see if I'm live. One day I'm going to put this thing closer. Oh, I can see. I can see. Let me know where you're watching from. I can see. Hey, hey, hey. Anyway, we have got a fun celebration workshop coming up. And it's going to be Thursday night and Friday morning. And I'm saying morning and night, depending on what time zone you're in. But I want y'all to put in the comments what you think the workshop celebration is going to be. I'm not going to tell you right away, but I am going to tell you that you got to register. So type the word workshop and I'll send you a message. And it's super easy. All you do is click on those links to register. It's free. We're going to be having fun. We're going to be introducing some new techniques. We're going to, I'm trying to think of all the things, be doing some fabulous giveaways. You don't want to miss it. And I am honored to be one of the presenters. And I want y'all all there. And y'all, I see some of y'all guessing. Can you guess what the theme is going to be? Hey, Joanne. Hey, Victoria. Hey, Melanie. So be sure to register to save your seat. If you're on a computer or on your cell phone or whatever, you can register. So you click either Thursday evening. It starts at 6 Mountain, which is 7 Central, 8 Eastern, and then whatever your time zone is. And then Friday morning starts at 10 Mountain, 11 Central, 12 Eastern. And y'all, I'm saying it in that order because it's easy for me to remember. So anybody that's on the other side of Mountain Time, check your times. So there's a link for Thursday evening and Friday morning. And I'll be presenting on both days. We'll be showing some new techniques. And there's 3 of us that are going to be giving y'all some ideas. And we're going to, we have been working our little rear ends off, coming up with things for y'all. And I cannot wait for you to see it all and watch. And, you'll be able to type whatever, you'll be able to comment and we'll be able to see it. It's just going to be fun. It's new. It's going to be awesome. And you're going to love the giveaways. I have seen them. They are wonderful. So come join us Thursday evening or Friday morning. And I know some of y'all might go both days, Thursday and Friday. And look, I wore a couple of hints. And y'all, I'll tell you, one of these things that I have on is one of the projects that I created for y'all with some of the special new fun things. So put it in the comments what you think it is. And no, what do you think our theme is going to be? I see some of y'all guessing shirts, pillows, and that kind of stuff. It's a theme. What do you think of when you see polka dots and something like this, maybe? Anyway, so comment workshop, get registered, get your seat reserved so you can get in on it. It's fun. Fun, fun, fun. And like I said, everybody loves a free workshop, and everybody loves some fantastic giveaways, and that's what it's going to be. Oh, Kathy, I'm looking forward to it too. So y'all, I'm going to be mentioning this every day until right up until the first workshop, which is Thursday evening. One thing, I'm going to look through these comments, and you know, we might send out some happy mail to somebody that guesses the theme, the subject. I don't want to give away any more hints. A lot of y'all already know. But anyway, if you're a designer, a Quirks member, a customer, or you've never seen me in your life, type the word workshop and let's get to having some fun Thursday night and Friday morning. I've been wanting to do a workshop with y'all, and here we go. It's going to be big time. All right, I will see y'all later. Love you guys. If you missed Jenny's project earlier, go back on the page and watch it. She did a great job. In fact, these are like her last couple of workshop or ideas. Aren't they stinking cute? I love them. Spring joy. And everybody's into the duck. All right, friends. See y'all later. I cannot wait. And don't forget, I'm going to be mentioning it a couple of days. You know, can't wait till Thursday. Today, I've been working from daylight to dark, making stuff to give y'all some ideas. So, type workshop, and let's do it. And I'll see y'all live tomorrow with a project. But I wanted to come on here and have some fun tonight. All right. Bye, y'all.